Hi everyone, welcome to another Buddhist video. Today we're going to see the life of the Buddha. Now I'm going to do the life of the Buddha in parts, and this is part 1, which is the dream of Queen Maha Maya. In Kapilavatthu, India, there was a small kingdom, and this kingdom was ruled by King Suddhodana and his wife, Queen Maha Maya. King Suddhodana and Queen Maha Maya wanted to have a family. On a full moon night, Queen Maha Maya had a strange dream. She was sleeping in a palace, and then she dreamt that all of a sudden she felt herself being carried away by 4 devas, who are also called spirits, to the mountains of the Himalayas. After bathing her in the lake, the devas gave her clothes and perfumes and then divine flowers. Soon after that, she saw a white elephant holding a white lotus flower in its trunk. It appeared in front of her and then went around her 3 times, entering her womb through her right side. Finally, the elephant disappeared and the queen suddenly woke up. Soon after the dream, everyone in the kingdom was delighted to hear that a child was to be born to their queen. Thank you for watching another interesting Buddhist video. Till we meet again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a blissful day.